CrewNYC here doing an unboxing video for MarketBids.com. I won the Proto 2012 Reflex Rail in PGA Eagle Dust on April 17th of 2012, and I paid $37.93. This arrived a couple days ago on the 24th of April through A&S Gear. You win an item on MarketBids.com. Mike puts in the order through A&S Gear, direct ship, and A&S will ship it to you. This cuts down on the shipping costs for Mike, which is really smart. I won't lie, I kind of miss the old ways because I get my Tech PB stickers now I'm loaded with A&S stickers, which I have no use for. So here we have the Reflex Rail. I don't think I need a knife for this. Yes, it is. Alright, so if you didn't read the description on the auction, at one point, somewhere in that description, it says, if you do not like the PGA Eagle Dust and the color doesn't suit you, you don't like it, you could choose something else. So, Eagle Dust didn't really work for me. I chose it in the PGA DyeCam. Ain't she a beauty? Here you go, guys. 2012 Reflex Rail PGA DyeCam. This is a beautiful, beautiful marker. Nice and light. Great trigger. V-neck, just like the DM12. So what do you get in here? You get a battery. You get a, you know what? I'll be honest, guys. This is a really cheap barrel sock. Really cheap. Lent my marker to my girlfriend recently, and she accidentally pulled the trigger with this on, and only 2 shots went off, and it split right along the seams already. This thing is a piece of crap. Nice little backup if you lose it. Wouldn't suggest you really have it on you. You get spare O-rings. Yep. Warranty, registration, and instruction booklet. Like dye, full colored, fully detailed, bolt maintenance, dwells, settings. Get a 2-piece barrel. Get a toolkit. You don't get the dye toolkit, but still get a good amount of Allen keys up in there. And too bad it's not the ball socket ones. Get a tube of sleek or dye slick lube. New formula. Put that aside real quick. Now, not sure what the bore on this is. I'm guessing 689. Really sweet marker here. Alright, so Proto 2012 Reflex Rail. Auction ended on 4/17/2012. Received it on 4/24/2012. Won it for $37.93. The original color was supposed to be PGA Eagle Dust. I switched it out to PGA DyeCam. Remember, read the descriptions, guys. If there's anything questionable in the description, email Mike. Don't just post it on the forum, he may not see it. Email it to him, and him Damien will try and get back to you as soon as they can, or anyone else on the Market Bids team, to answer your questions in regards to descriptions. Once again, thank you, Mike. Thank you, Market Bids. Thank you, ANS Gear. And cheers, guys. Peace.